All right. I haven't gone live in a while, and I was about to leave for the day because I didn't get very much sleep last night. But I thought I would try to fire something up here and just try to get something done for the day. So, man, it's been a long time since I've even looked at any of this. Momentum is a powerful thing, and when you don't have it, it doesn't work. It works against you. So let's look at, let's just look at this. So let's see if I can get this running locally. All right, so this is what the website looks like right now. If we're going to ship this, there's a bunch of things we need to clean up here. Adam Wathen helped me the other day clean this mobile version up of this grid. So once you get to this level, it just hides all of that. So that's looking good. We need to have a better feature image here. So I should probably do that soon. And I don't think we need a new button here. I think I'm just going to have one. So there's a few things we can work on there, right? Let's see here. Just wrap this so I can kind of see a bit better. So let's start by just deleting that. I think that's better. I really want to clean up this copy, and man, I wish I had a better image for this. Because this image just isn't very, the dimensions are wrong. Let's see what I have, if I have anything stored that I can use. Just need a good feature image I can use there. That kind of shows the application. What am I going to use? Yeah, I might have to take a new screenshot because these are all kind of not great. Okay. One of the challenges I'm having is that I wonder if I should just could just show this screen. What if this would be better? Just the dashboard. Okay, let's see what this looks like. So the thing I want to do is just remove this widget from the screenshot. And what happens if I just screenshot this? What does that look like? One thing that's not really clear is maybe I want to use this image instead and make it look more like your podcast. That might be better. Hey, how's it going? Thanks, man. Of Build Your SaaS. Is that what you saw? Sweet. Sorry, I'm not super high energy today. Just kind of low energy today. Okay, I think I'm gonna change this too. Publish your podcast to details about, man, writing just placeholder copy is not easy. Wonder if I just deleted this, this would look weird. Okay, so not quite right. Okay, so let's keep that. I like the look of this, your podcast. What I don't like is having this description in here. Just put man, what what placeholder content can I put here? This podcast is for audiences that love audio. Delete this part again. Anyone else have a better flow for creating screenshots? Well, let's start by trying this out. So we'll call this dashboard. No, this is transistor overview. Transistor podcast hosting. Try to get some shrink it down. And do I just have this hard-coded somewhere in here? Okay, it's just in assets. So let's save this to here. And I should have grabbed that file name. Can kind of remember it. Let's update this. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's good to take screenshots from the actual app. Okay, let's close all that. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, I didn't get the... Isn't that where I saved this? Oh, wrong file name. All right. Now it should work. Okay. All right, so there's a few problems here. One is this doesn't really work with it. So let's modify this a bit. Nice. In some ways, I shouldn't be doing any of this because this is exactly the kind of work that John likes to do. But one thing we can do is we could just crop out that other thing. And because this kind of gets lost in our dark background. So I can just crop this. And let's save that. This file is probably going to be massive now. Unfortunately, I've got to re-upload that now. Go back here. I know this workflow drives a lot of people crazy, but oh, that's pretty small actually. 70. It's still 71. I'll just use that one. Okay. Like I said, I don't know how long I'm going to last for this this live stream. I'm pretty beat. All right, so let's take a look at that. Oh, we're going to need to add some margin there. I think something else we could do that I've done in blog posts is these images all have rounded corners. And so I think copying that style here works. Why is this? see what we got here. Padding. So I probably want to add some padding on the bottom. Like, let's go PB8. How come that's not working? Padding. Do I have padding on here already? Padding, I've got Y. What's going on here? I only have, okay, I have padding, very little padding here. What's underneath this? This is, that's like 6. Just trying to, hey, what's up? Hey, sorry, super tired today, so I'm not going to be really energetic. I'm just trying to put it in enough space here. So, I don't know, 12? You think that's... Now I'm trying to be a designer. That looks good enough for now. Okay, so let's just actually put that into the code. Where is that button? This still needs to be cleaned up quite a bit. If I actually look at it, there's a bunch of problems with this. It says background red, like, I thought I cleaned up this button already, but border to, oh God. Still can't, I just can't think right now. Okay, well, let's at least do this image in a way that I've done it before. So let's see here. I've got, where's my article layout? Can't remember how I did that now. I can't remember anything. I haven't focused on this in so long. Okay, so here's the image. I'm just going to use this whole thing. See what this looks like. But then I want, I keep going back in here. MX Auto, right? Okay. Now what do I got going here now? Hey, what's up, Andy? That's good advice. Mubs, I should listen to that. Man, this is gonna. I'm just so tired, but I wanted to get something done. But you guys all have great ideas that I'm too tired to even think about. Okay, I'm gonna delete this for now. This probably should all be in a div, but I think John's going to want to change that feature image. So I just wanted it to be a little bit higher resolution than the last one we had. All right, so I removed that. Oh, sorry, this is Visual Studio Code. Okay, well, I got a little bit done. I really need to rewrite this content. It's not very good. And yeah, some of the spacing doesn't make sense. Oh, actually, one thing I think I'm going to do is remove this subscribe. I think I'm going to remove subscribe and this Canada address. I don't think we need the subscribe in the footer. So let's just remove that. Okay, so let's start by, we will remove all that. And let's find the, where's the subscribe? Here it is. So this is all for subscribe. Let's just delete that for now. And I might want to write more here later, but
okay, right. Oh yeah, I remember you.
It's just, that's just whatever Visual Studio Code is auto-saving, I think.
Yeah.
It's cleaning it up however they want to do it. What's up, Ben?
Yeah.
Again, I don't feel good about all this like the copy we have written here, but I'm just too tired to think about it. But we don't want offices. I did catch that, so let's delete that. Okay. This goes to an article. This goes to features, pricing. Oh, I need to clean this up. Got to figure out why this is rendering so weird.
Yeah.
Then here's the blog. Just gonna push this up right now.
Exactly, yeah.
By the way, we used to have this.
So I mean, you know, I'm just going by proportions relative to what was there before. I don't really see any kind of problem areas here. But
Yeah, I probably want to do a bunch of work there.
that was kind of my only comment.
But right now I'm just gonna commit what I have because I can't keep going forever here. I'm too tired. I'll just put a little bit of cleanup. I'll commit this to master for now just because it's still not live. This repo was public for a while, but we just made it private. So unfortunately, there's not an easy way for you folks to look at my code anymore. I'll have to figure out a way of doing that. You can go and check it out on marketing.transistor.fm. That's live right now. So as this should redeploy here. Thanks, Mike. This should redeploy on this kind of temporary public server we have. And you should see my changes, but you don't right now. What's going on?
Yeah, okay. Like thermal deprivation. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Which company is that?
Why did this not deploy?
Okay. Yeah. That's what I was wondering if it was BNN.
Now you can watch me
Right.
try to figure out why this isn't working. Okay, I've got the webhook set up correctly.
Yeah.
Why is it not? Why are those changes not showing up?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. We got an error.
Yeah.
Error while executing git command. Something went wrong. I used run cloud for this one. Yeah.
And that's that notch in the cross piece there between the two stirrups. That's basically where the is coming up.
What's up?
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm guessing when we moved it to a private thing, a private
This I was gonna say this one could get
Uh,
more complicated than the racing one, I imagine.
GitHub repo, something went, it's not working now. So let's see if we can figure this out.
Okay, interesting. Yeah.
No, it doesn't look like.
Yeah, no, I can appreciate that gets complex fast. You know, we've certainly done this.
Doesn't look like it.
Small mechanisms.
What branch is this? Master, there's a pull request. I think I'm gonna ignore. Okay, so Mubs is saying,
some kind of ballpark figures here to just give you
yeah.
what the thickness would be.
So I've got.
If you got any other things you want to bounce off, let me know.
Where do I put in?
Okay, talk to it. Bye.
Insert this key inside. Do I put the key Oh, here we go. I have a key that's running. Yeah, I think I thought okay. Um, will I put that into, like, does the SSH key go in this secret field?
I did.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do this offline. I just can't, I'm too tired to think right now. So yeah, I guess we got a little bit done
Yeah, I mean,
locally. I gotta figure out,
um,
get this cleaned up for,
getting a little bit tight here.
figure out, yeah, why it's not deploying, but I can figure that out later.
I mean, tell me what you guys think, but I think.
And I'm gonna read this guide that
Of the racing
Mubs just
and
pasted in here.
kind of, like,
But yeah, I'm gonna go have a nap. See you folks later.